What's up everyone, GT here today, and we are doing a PS4 unboxing. Today we are doing Fire Pro Wrestling World, and as you can see here, you got 4 wrestlers from Japan, with this one most notably known as Kenny Omega. I do follow wrestling, not as much though, but I know who this guy is. So he is from New Japan Wrestling, and from what I know is you can create characters and do a whole bunch of stuff. So if you remember the game No Mercy or Revenge or WrestleMania for the Nintendo 64, this game is kind of similar to it from what I've known and heard. So let's go ahead and check this game out, unbox it, and see what's inside the box. Alright, so unlike Xbox games, PlayStation 4, you don't get the little sticker that comes here. Usually on PlayStation 4, you just get the little wrapper, open it up, unbox it, boom, you're done, that's it. Same thing goes for Nintendo Switch games. You don't get a little sticker that goes in the tab, in the spine, or the forward spine when you open the game. So it's pretty easy to, just tear this up and open it up. Now inside the box, you do have the game disc, and you do have like a manual with the character list. So, I'm kind of impressed. Previous game, Strange Brigade, I didn't get anything inside the box. So here you have the disc. Let me show you all the disc real quick. This is Fire Pro Wrestling World. Oh man, I'm like dropping it everywhere. Check it out. Fire Pro Wrestling World. Fire Wrestling World Pro, or whatever you want to call it. Spike Chunsoft, I guess that's the developer. Not bad for PlayStation 4 disc, Blu-ray. Next thing you have is a New Japan Pro Wrestling Almanac, or Almanac. Fire Pro Wrestling World Official Guide, New Japan Pro Wrestling Almanac. As like I said, I do follow wrestling, not much though, and I do know some of these guys. That's his Tonga. I think that's Pentagon Jr. I think. Who is this? I think this is Tonga's brother. Where's Kenny Omega? I don't see him up here. Maybe he's in here. Oh, no, not in here. All these New Japan Wrestling guys. So this is inside booklet. This is pretty cool. You get a little booklet with moves and their stats and their strengths and their qualities and stuff like that. And meet the new Fire Pro Wrestling lineup. So you got Hiroshi Tanahashi, you got Satoshi Kojima, you got Katsuyori Shibata. Let's see, who else do we have in here? Oh, you got Juice Robinson, Hiroshi Tenza, Manabu Nakanishi, Michael Elgin. Yeah, my Japanese is not that great. Super Strong Machine, Yuji Nagata, Tomoaki Honma, Togi Makabe. Who else do we have? You got Kushida, you got Ryusuke Kaguchi, Tomoyuki Oka, Hirai Kawato, Katsuya Kitamura, Kota Ibushi. You got more people here. Now, I'm not seeing Kenny Omega in the Bullet Club. Oh, there goes Jito. There goes Hiroki Goto. There goes Yoshihashi. And just because I'm saying their names doesn't mean I know these guys. Let's keep going on the list. So pretty much this gives you the list of all the characters in here. Oh, there goes Kenny Omega, Bullet Club. There goes Tonga, Bullet Club. There goes Loa, Bullet Club. I knew there were Bullet Club was going to be in there. I wonder if Cody Rhodes is in here. I doubt it, though. There goes Bad Luck Fail, Bullet Club. Here goes El Desperado. So I guess I was wrong. It wasn't El Pentagon Jr. And yeah, that's all the characters you get. But you do get, create all these characters also as well. Inside the box, nothing much to it. Just the disc and the manual, which I'm okay with it. If you get something like this, it's pretty dope. I'm okay. Another quick glimpse on the front cover. PS4 Day 1 Edition. Fire Pro Wrestling World. I only know this guy, which is Kenny Omega. Rated T for teens, so only teenagers can play this. Well, really, I think everybody's gonna play this game. The Cult Classic is back. Build your dream match. So yeah, like I mentioned, you can pretty much make any character you want, even WWE, Impact Wrestling, Ring of Honor, you name it. This does 1 to 4 players, 2 to 4 network, 26 gigabytes. Oh, my bad. That looked like 26. So it's 2 gigabyte minimum of storage required to play on your PlayStation 4. Online play is optional. So rated T for T, blood, crude humor, partial nudity, and violence. So yeah, let's wrap it up. So this is Day 1 Edition Fire Pro Wrestling World, the unboxing. I'm gonna do my best to put some gameplay out there so you guys and gals can check this out. Let me know in the comments below if this is a game you'll be picking up, or if you've already picked it up. This released on Tuesday, maybe like 4 days ago when I did the unboxing for Strange Brigade. So yeah, they both released at the same time. You know, I just been busy doing a lot of things at the house, school, work, stuff like that. Now I don't really go to school, but you know, my kids go to school, so there's a bunch of stuff that I've been doing. But anyways, that is Fire Pro Wrestling World PS4 Day 1 Edition. If you smell what GT is cooking. Yeah, that sounded kind of lame. But thank you guys and gals for watching. I'm GT, signing out, and I'll see you guys and gals later. Adios.